Hi everyone. Today I will guide you through how to pay your CRA tax using Scotiabank online banking in 2025. Let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial. This is an updated guide, so make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any important details. Step 1. Log into your Scotiabank online banking account. Open the official Scotiabank website or the mobile app. Enter your username and password to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to the bill payments section. Once you're in, look for the pay bills or bill payments option. You'll usually find it on the home page or under the payments or transfers tab. Step 3. Add the CRA as a payee. Click on add a payee or add new bill. In the search bar, type CRA or Canada Revenue Agency. You'll see different CRA options. For most people, choose CRA Revenue, Tax Installment or CRA Revenue, 2024, tax return depending on your payment. Step 4. Enter your account information. Now input your 9-digit social insurance number when prompted. Make sure it's correct. This is how CRA links your payment to your tax account. Step 5. Set your payment amount. Return to the bill payment page. Choose the CRA payee from your list. Enter the amount you want to pay. Select the account to pay from, and pick your desired payment date. Step 6. Review and confirm everything. Double-check the payee name, your SIN, the payment amount and the date. If all looks good, hit submit or confirm. Step 7. Save the confirmation. Once the payment is processed, a confirmation page will appear. Be sure to save or note the confirmation number for your records. The CRA will usually apply your payment within 1 to 3 business days.